So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Oracle Corporation stock, ticker symbol ORCL, in Canada using Questrade. So once Questrade is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the top right or go to the bottom left, press on buy/sell or the search icon. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol ORCL for Oracle. Here at the top, press on this. Then go to the bottom left and press on buy. Once you're here, you can either select share quantity or dollar amount. Select the one that you're wanting to go with. Once that is done, press on next in the bottom, and then go through and follow the steps afterwards. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Oracle Corporation stock, ticker symbol ORCL, in Canada using Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.